You can use percents to compare estimated or measured values to actual or expected values. So here's a key concept. I think getting a good screenshot of this is a great idea, at least this top section. So relative error is the ratio of the absolute value of the difference of a measured or estimated value and an actual value compared to the actual value. That's going to make a lot more sense when we start working with these. It's really going to be very similar to a percent change. When relative error is expressed as a percent, it's called percent error. Anya's estimate of the blue whale's length, 1,200 inches. The actual length of the blue whale, 1,260 inches. So in order to find the relative error here, we're going to apply the absolute value. Let me zoom in. The absolute value of her estimate, 1,200, minus the actual length, 1,260, divided by the actual length, 1,260. That works out to be about 0.05, which we can write as 5%. Okay. Anya's estimate of the goldfish's length, 4 inches. The actual length of the goldfish is 8 inches. The relative error then is the absolute value of her estimate, much as before. Her estimate 4 minus the actual length, 8, divided by 8. This works out to be 0.5, which we can write as 50%. Problem 3, finding percent error. It's a multiple choice question, so we have options A through D. A decorator estimates that a rectangular rug is 5 feet by 8 feet. So an estimate of 5 feet by 8 feet for this rectangular rug. The rug is actually 4 feet by 8 feet. What is the percent error in the estimated area? So we're not actually given the areas. We're given the lengths and the widths of these rectangular rugs, the estimated size and the actual size. So we're going to need to find the area and then use our formula to find the percent error. So remember, percent error will be estimated value minus actual value all over actual value. To find the area of a 5 by 8 rectangle, we multiply 5 times 8. And of a 4 by 8 rectangle, 4 times 8. And of course that actual value of 4 times 8 goes in the denominator. 40 minus 32, our numerator in absolute value. 40 minus 32 is 8. The absolute value of 8 is 8. Our denominator, 32, stays 32. And 8 divided by 32, 0.25 or 25%. Answering in a complete sentence, the estimated area is off by 25%. The correct answer is C. Your turn. You think that the distance between your house and a friend's house is 5.5 miles. The actual distance is 4.75 miles. What is the percent error in your estimation?